Today we're under our 4motion T6.1. We're going to show you how to fit some diff spacers. We're going to take out the 3 bolts that hold the diff in, fit our spacers above, and then refit with the original 18mm bolt at the front and the 2 new bolts that you get in the kit that we sell at the rear. I'll get the transmission jack under, we'll drop it down and we'll get the bolts out. So on my toolbox, we've got the tools that you'll need. I'm using a 3/8 ratchet. We've got an 18mm socket, 16mm socket and a 15mm socket. These are the 2 rear spacers for the diff. This is the front spacer, and then these are the 2 replacement longer bolts for the 2 rear spacers. We'll go ahead, fit these, and you can see what we're doing. There we've got the front spacer in with the original 18mm bolt holding it. Obviously we've used a transmission jack to lower the diff down to get the spacer in. If you're doing it on your driveway, if you have the rear end up on axle stands, you should be able to put a jack under the diff with a block of wood to support it, lower it down a little bit, and just enough space to get under to fit it. Now I'll move on to the rear ones. So there we have the rear spacers fitted. All 3 have been done in approximately 5 minutes on the left. If you're doing it on your driveway, it might take a bit longer because of clearance issues. This kit costs $74.95 on our website, and we always recommend purchasing this when you have a lift kit or a Big H lift kit fitted. It saves putting extra tension on the drive shafts. If you did find this video useful or helpful, please share it with a friend or a family member or a work colleague. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.